Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So guys, if you're ready about today's vlog, I'm surprising my mom with a brand new car. Let's go and I'll show you all about it. We need to look for a guy named Mahmoud. He's plugging us with the best car here. We have Mahmoud. This is the guy who's gonna plug us with best car ever. So guys, we got the money in here. Right here, we're about to pay for the car up front. Bingo, job is done. My mom has been supporting me for most of my life and she raised me to be the man I am right now. So the least we can do is to give it back. Go take care of your parents because eventually they're gonna grow old and they're gonna pass away. That's the reality. So make them happy, make them proud. Before this happens, car is ready. Yep. Yo, the car is right here. Yeah. I still didn't see the car. I'm super excited to see it. Let's go for it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. What should we name her? Jenny. Jenny? Go with Jenny. Okay. Yes. Jenny, welcome to the family. Guys, the team here are amazing. Thank you. Hey guys, the car is ready. We upgraded it for my mom. She just came from travels yesterday. We upgraded the grill, we upgraded the lights, and we upgraded this. We basically upgraded everything for my mom. Let me get her to come and see it. But Mama, just walk up its front. Mama, I have a surprise for you. Boom. Turn on the code. You like the car, Mom?
I love it, man.
This is for everything you've done. Guys, always do something amazing for your mom. You only have one mom out there. And keep smiling, take care of your family. And let's go eat now. It's the first time you're gonna eat Yemeni kebab. What's your feeling?
I feel like my guts are gonna be real.
Anyways, guys, we don't care what he feels. We don't care anything. We're here to enjoy. One and only from the United States of America. Come on, let's go, Cap. Let's go, Cap.
Tell them about the crypto.
But no one cares, bro. No one cares about the crypto. It's $500,000. No one cares. My brother.
Look, it's on, bro. How you doing?
You're, what are you guys vlogging?
You're vlogging me.
Alright, let's go. What's going on? Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? My name is Omar_Manini. Add me. We're on Instagram.
This is Salim right here. Came all the way from the United States.
This is a night in life of young bucks in Dubai, I guess.
He was trying to say a joke, guys. It's a laugh.
Want to get all the gains. Want to be big in this world. Want to be big like Ayman. And win your first boxing match. You gotta eat like that. Yeah, put all of that shit, bro.
Man. I got some fans behind me. They need some autograph, some picture.
Her father's actually the creator of Lay's. Her father's creator of Google, bro. Ayman, because he has 3 million followers, I feel left out. And when I was a kid, Mama Baba loved me 7 years more than Ayman. So when he came, he took all the attention away, and now he has 3 million followers, he took all the attention away again. He destroyed my life, bro. But he's too cute, I can't. He's okay. How can not someone like this guy? But he's so cute. Okay.
Listen to this beauty right now.
Bro, this car is a little monster. How much is this, bro? So it's actually like, I'll sell you a copy of them.
Send me $500,000, boys. And if this goes viral, 400K.
Let's go!
Oh, brother, what do you do for a living?
I'm Drake's manager.
Guys, just finished beautiful video with these two cars. Ahmad, from where's Porsche?
Pakistan.
Oh my God.
Oh, the red and the red, bro.
Put the guy up. Don't do this at home.